In this video, we're going to cover 30 ways in which you can make this year the best year of your life. So, sit back and take some notes on what is relevant for you and how you'll make this year your best year. Also, please note that something which may be a priority this year may not be a priority the next year. For example, work-life balance may not be as important to you this year because you may want to build your business or move up in your career. But then, in 2 to 3 years' time, work-life balance may be more important to you as you may want to spend more quality time with your family or go traveling to see the world. Our priorities and focus tend to shift and change over time, so when you're going through this video, think about what's important to you this year and where your focus will be. Then, the next year, have a think again about where your focus will be and take it from there. Remember, the Kaizen way, small changes and tweaks, one step at a time, building new habits. Over time, this will create momentum and build up towards huge changes in your life and in you as a person. We're excited for you. Good luck! And if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and liking the video. It'll really help us build the channel and provide more useful content to help you as well as others. Now, let's get started. As we step into the new year, it's an opportune time to focus on making this year the most remarkable and fulfilling one yet. While the notion of the best year of your life can vary greatly from person to person, certain universal strategies can help anyone make the most of the year. Here's a comprehensive guide to doing just that. Number 1. Set clear, achievable goals. Begin by setting clear and achievable goals. These can be related to personal growth, career advancements, health and fitness, or learning new skills. Make sure these goals are SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This approach ensures your goals are concrete and attainable within a set time frame. Number 2. Prioritize your health. Physical and mental health should be at the top of your priority list. This means adopting a balanced diet full of nutrients, taking regular exercise, and ensuring that you get a sufficient amount of sleep. Additionally, consider mindfulness practices like meditation or yoga to enhance mental well-being. Remember, a healthy body and mind are foundational to achieving any other goals. Number 3. Cultivate positive relationships. Surround yourself with people who inspire and support you. Positive relationships are crucial for personal well-being. Make time for family and friends and seek to build new connections with people who share your interests and values. Also, don't forget to nurture the relationship with yourself through self-care and self-compassion. Number 4. Embrace continuous learning. Commit to learning something new this year. This could be a professional skill, a new hobby, or general knowledge about a topic that intrigues you. Continuous learning keeps your mind active and can open doors to new opportunities and experiences. Number 5. Financial planning and management. Get a handle on your finances, create a budget, reduce unnecessary expenses, and start saving or investing. Financial security and freedom can significantly reduce stress and increase your options in life. If you're in debt, think about ways in which you can consolidate it in order to reduce the amount of interest you're paying on it. For example, if you have credit card debt, then it may be better to take out a lower interest rate loan and paying off the credit card debt. If you spread out the duration of the loan, then the payments may be more manageable too. Number 6. Give back to the community. Find ways to give back to your community, whether it's through volunteering, donating to a cause you care about, or simply helping out a neighbor. Helping others can provide a profound sense of fulfillment and purpose. Number 7. Travel and explore. If possible, plan to travel, whether it's to a new country, city, or just a local place you've never been before. Traveling broadens your horizons, exposes you to new cultures, and can provide refreshing changes to your routine. Number 8. Be open to change. Stay flexible and open to change. The best laid plans can sometimes go awry, and being adaptable can help you navigate life's unpredictability. Embrace change as an opportunity for growth. Number 9. Practice gratitude. Make it a habit to regularly reflect on and appreciate what you have. Practicing gratitude can improve your mood, reduce stress, and shift your focus from what you lack to what you have. Number 10. Prioritize work-life balance. Balance your professional responsibilities with personal interest and relaxation. It's important to take time to recharge, pursue hobbies, and spend time with loved ones. Number 11. Overcome procrastination. Tackle the habit of procrastination head-on. Break tasks into smaller, manageable parts, set deadlines, and reward yourself for meeting them. Number 12. Take care of your mental health. Pay attention to your mental health. If you feel overwhelmed, anxious, or depressed, don't hesitate to seek help from mental health professionals. Number 13. Live in the moment. While planning for the future is important, don't forget to live in the present. Appreciate the current moment, savoring the everyday joys and experiences. Number 14. Develop a positive mindset. Work on developing a positive and resilient mindset. This involves seeing challenges as opportunities to learn and grow rather than insurmountable obstacles. A positive outlook can significantly impact your ability to navigate the ups and downs of life. Number 15. Regular self-reflection. Set aside time for regular self-reflection. This can be through journaling, meditation, or simply spending quiet time alone. Self-reflection helps you understand your progress, identify areas that need improvement, and realign your actions with your goals. Number 16. Focus on self-improvement. Dedicate this year to self-improvement. This can include improving your physical health, working on emotional intelligence, developing better communication skills, or becoming more organized and efficient. Number 17. Embrace creativity. Engage in creative activities. Creativity isn't just about art, it's a way of thinking that can be applied to every aspect of life. It encourages innovative thinking and problem solving. Number 18. Say yes to new opportunities. Be open to new opportunities even if they scare you. Saying yes to new experiences can lead to exciting adventures and personal growth. Number 19. Practice self-discipline. Develop self-discipline in your daily life. This can mean sticking to your exercise routine, maintaining a healthy diet, or following through on your commitments. Self-discipline is key to achieving long-term goals. Number 20. Simplify your life. Simplify your life wherever possible. This could mean decluttering your home, organizing your schedule, or reducing commitments that don't add value to your life. Simplification can lead to a clearer mind and reduced stress. Number 21. Focus on what truly matters. Identify what truly matters to you and focus your time and energy there. Whether it's your family, your career, a hobby, or a personal project, invest in what brings you the most joy and fulfillment. Number 22. Be kind to yourself. Be kind and gentle with yourself. Acknowledge your efforts and progress, even if they seem small. Self-compassion is crucial for a healthy and happy life. Number 23. Stay informed and engaged. Stay informed about the world around you and engage in meaningful conversations and activities. Being an active and informed citizen can add a sense of purpose and connection to the larger community. Number 24. Optimize your environment. Create an environment that supports your goals and well-being. This may involve organizing your workspace, creating a relaxing home atmosphere, or surrounding yourself with inspirational and motivational elements. Number 25. Build resilience. Life will inevitably bring challenges. Focus on building resilience and developing coping strategies, maintaining a support network, and learning from setbacks rather than dwelling on them. Number 26. Celebrate small victories. Recognize and celebrate small victories and milestones along your journey. This helps maintain motivation and a sense of accomplishment, reinforcing positive behavior. Number 27. Stay curious. Maintain a sense of curiosity. Be interested in the world, ask questions, and seek out new experiences. Curiosity can lead to a more fulfilling and interesting life. Number 28. Find your passion. If you haven't already, Use this year to discover or reignite your passion. Engaging in activities you're passionate about can bring immense joy and satisfaction. Number 29. Foster independence. Work on becoming more self-reliant and independent. This can increase your confidence and ability to handle various situations in life. Number 30. Create a vision board. Consider creating a vision board that illustrates your goals and aspirations for the year. This can serve as a daily reminder and motivation to pursue your dreams. Before we end this video, we wanted to conclude that making this year the best year yet is a holistic process that involves setting goals, taking care of your health, embracing learning, cultivating positivity, and much more. It's about finding balance, pursuing passions, and being open to growth and change. Remember, the best year of your life is not just about what happens to you, but how you choose to respond and what you make of the opportunities presented to you. With dedication, a positive attitude, and a commitment to self-improvement, this year can be a year of significant achievement and personal growth. Oh, and don't forget, please consider subscribing to our channel for more personal development and overall life-improving videos that'll help you to elevate yourself to the next level. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments.